this is Rachel with the team here at Clarity Co, here to bring you some tech clarity with our Monday 101 course on system navigation. Today we'll be talking about how to find something across the entire system of Monday.com, and we're excited to share with you. Let's dive in. Jumping into our Monday, I want to share 3 sections that we can find and use to search across all of Monday for a board, a doc, an item, whatever it might be across the whole system. I'm going to briefly share with you those 3 sections, and then we'll dive into how to use those sections at a deeper level in this training. The first we talked through in our first training, which is the quick search feature here. Again, how to open that is the Control B feature as a quick key on your keyboard, and then hitting the escape button if you want to exit out of that quickly on your keyboard. You can also use your cursor to click and hover over and select those items with your mouse click. The second section is a workspace specific search, which is indicated by this magnifying glass here. We'll dive into that functionality in a little bit. The third is the magnifying glass up here that is associated with these icons up here. If we click on this, this also functions as a quick search feature, but is more detailed, which we'll dive into shortly. Recapping our quick search feature over here with the More button, if I click on it and I open up that quick search feature, what we have is we can quick search across all dashboards, boards, docs, and workspaces. The downside to using this option is it does not allow a filtration option, whereas the other quick search feature over here in the upper right-hand corner does allow for filtration. The reason we may use this quick search feature here instead of using this upper right-hand corner here is because it's quickly and easily accessible here, and it's something that pops up automatically with the quick keys on our keyboard. In our workspace, the filtration options are workspace centered, meaning it will not pull across all workspaces. It is solely based within the workspace that you are in currently. So let's say I want to search within the sandbox workspace. I click the magnifying glass here and I want to look for anything associated with training. I don't remember the doc name, the board name, the dashboard name. And up pops a Monday board, a doc, and a dashboard, and I can select the one that I'm looking for based on my search. If, however, I need to filter this and pare this down even further, I can select the board that I'm looking for, select who created the board, select who the owner might be, and then also select the status of whether the board or dashboard or doc is a main board, a private board, or a shareable board. What each of these mean: a main board is it's public, it's usable by all team members, they can find it easily and quickly. A private board is something that I have locked and you need to have a specific invite or certain permissions to be able to access or even edit on that board. A shareable board is something I can share externally with other clients or other users that are not within the system of Monday.com. One quick pro tip we want to share with you is ensuring that you understand that your filters are still applied when and how. Indicated by the blue bubble up here in this upper right-hand corner, you can see a blue 3 indicated by the magnifying glass. This means that any time I do a keyword search, the filters are still applied and it is running my keyword search through the filtration options that are previously selected. To clear those filters, go ahead and click that funnel option, selecting the clear all option here, and that means anytime I type in a keyword search, I will be searching just that keyword and not running it through any filters based on the specific workspace. If you need to find a document in a different workspace, you do have the ability to select a different workspace based on your drop down here, selecting that workspace and then doing the exact same search feature with the magnifying glass here. The final section we want to share with you, which is similar to the quick search feature, but it does allow you to refine your search, is this magnifying glass over here in the upper right-hand corner. Selecting this, I can search everything across the entire system of Monday.com, and I can search across boards and refine that. I can also search just based on updates, files, people's tags in the system of Monday.com. Whatever I want to specify, I can run it through this specific filter, which is pre-built for us in Monday.com. Shifting my circle here, you can also see that you can filter based on date. Let's say, for example, I know a board was created within Q4. I don't remember the name. I remember it had to do with training. I can select my dates by filtering by date. applying this across a timeline or expanding it, whatever it might be. And then I can type in what I'm looking for based on my keyword search. So I can type in training, and then I can see across all boards or across all workspaces what I'm searching for based on that keyword and that time frame. A couple other great tips with this search everything filter in monday.com. Your saved searches are applied here. So anytime you've done a reoccurring search, something that you've done multiple times over, that you're going to do multiple times over, you can save this search here, and then it will pop up underneath the saved search option here. One final tip that monday.com has built into the search feature across search everything is pre-populated searches that are common across all users. You can see that based on the people search built here, as well as the related to me searches. Anything that is assigned to me, files that I've uploaded, boards that I've archived, things I've been mentioned in, but didn't reply maybe. Those are all pre-populated searches that Monday has built into the system that you do not have to apply the filters to then create that search. That's all that we have from our team here at Clarity Co. We want to say thank you so much for tuning in to our Tech Clarity Talk. If you need any additional support, tips, tricks, ideas on how to maximize your monday.com or creative minds working on some bigger builds, be sure to reach out to our team and we'll be happy to help. Until next time.